In the world of crypto, finding the right coins to invest in can make a big difference, especially if you're thinking about retiring early. As we step into 2024, we've put together a list of the top 10 crypto coins to invest in for 2024. This guide will break down each coin in simple terms, giving you a clear picture of why they might be worth your attention. Whether it's Ethereum's upcoming ETFs, the cool upgrades in Uniswap, or the potential in lesser-known ones like Phantom and Injective, this video are here to help you understand why these coins could be your ticket to a successful future. So, let's jump in and explore what makes these coins stand out in the crypto world. Number 10. Cardano, ADA. First we have Cardano, also known as ADA. Cardano, also known as ADA, might not be stealing the spotlight, but it's quietly making strides. It transitioned from a research project to a full-fledged blockchain, proving its commitment to real-world applications. With total value locked, TVL numbers, rising from 200 million to almost 500 million, Cardano is building a strong foundation. Number 9. Injective, INJ. Alright, let's shift our focus to Injective, or INJ. You might not have heard a lot about it, but it's doing some interesting things, especially in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. So what's up with Injective? Well, more and more people are getting on board with Injective, and they're doing this cool thing called staking. With a focus on staking, Injective is attracting crypto enthusiasts with airdrops and incentives. By encouraging more people to stake, Injective is fueling its ecosystem and rewarding participants. If you're into earning crypto rewards by actively engaging in a community, Injective is worth considering. Number 8. Arbitrum, ETH Layer 2. Now, let's turn our attention to Arbitrum, specifically in the context of Ethereum's Layer 2. Simplifying the technical jargon, Arbitrum acts like an upgrade to Ethereum, improving efficiency without replacing it entirely. Within a short period, over 100,000 Ethereum tokens have moved to Arbitrum, signaling growing interest in its capabilities. As a trusted sidekick to Ethereum, handling transactions seamlessly, Arbitrum is becoming a noteworthy player in the crypto game. Number 7. Harmony, RR. Alright, let's talk about Harmony, also known as HAR. Recently, Harmony greenlit a substantial 4.86 billion HAR for development, a hefty sum signaling its commitment to growth. The majority, around 4.24 billion, is earmarked for enhancing the Harmony network and ongoing projects, a strategic investment to amplify what's already working. Harmony's blockchain ethos revolves around decentralization and community-driven decision-making. The allocation of additional HAR for development underscores their earnest intent to expand in 2024. Number 6. Polygon, Matic. Now, let's talk about Polygon, also known as Matic. It might not be as famous as Bitcoin, but it's got some cool things going on. First off, there's something called Polygon 2.0 in the works. It's not just an upgrade, but a fundamental improvement. Besides the long-term benefits, Polygon's short-term game is strong, fueled by an effective media machine that excels in spreading excitement. The upcoming Polygon 2.0 introduces a new multi-chain token, a versatile asset designed to perform various tasks across the crypto landscape. With plans for sustained competitiveness and utility, Polygon is set to offer both fundamental improvements and innovative features, making it a compelling prospect for 2024. Number 5. MakerDAO, MKR. Now, let's talk about MakerDAO, or MKR for short. MakerDAO is like a digital organization that makes decisions about something called the Maker Protocol. In the last quarter, MakerDAO pulled in a respectable $70 million. Now, why does this matter? MakerDAO plays a crucial role in the decentralized finance, DeFi realm, contributing to financial activities without relying on a central authority. Simply put, MakerDAO's protocol manages stablecoins, digital versions of regular money aimed at maintaining a stable value. With their Q4 revenue and the importance of stability in the crypto realm, MakerDAO emerges as a significant player to watch in 2024. Number 4. Uniswap, Uni. Alright, let's dive into Uniswap, or Uni for short. Uniswap might not be the talk of the town right now, but it's got some history and a new trick up its sleeve. As one of the pioneers in airdrop launches, giving out free tokens to existing holders, Uniswap is preparing for its next act, Uniswap v4. Investing $300,000 in V4's development, they aim to launch 150 million tokens with a mission to capture the market of smaller tokens and assets managed on the older version. Despite the existence of a newer version, V3, Uniswap V2 still handles an impressive $1.8 billion in total value. With V4, Uniswap is introducing features like on-chain limit orders and automatic deposits to lending protocols, offering users more flexibility with their tokens. Uniswap stands out as one of the largest decentralized exchanges, managing over $4.43 billion in total value. If you're into decentralized finance, DeFi, and token swapping, keep an eye on Uniswap V4 might bring in fresh features, solidifying its position in the crypto world. Number 3. Phantom, FTM. Now let's talk about Phantom, also known as FTM. While it might not be a household name in the crypto realm, Phantom is making noteworthy moves. Recently undergoing a significant upgrade, Phantom reduced its staking requirement by a whopping 90%. Staking involves putting your crypto to work to earn more, and by making it more accessible, Phantom aims to attract more participants. The significance of staking lies in strengthening Phantom's network, as increased participation makes it more resilient to malicious actors. Despite the $20,000 entry cost, Phantom hopes to broaden its staking community, enhancing the overall network strength. In 2024, Phantom's focus on inclusivity and network robustness positions it as an interesting player worth watching. Number 2. XRP, Ripple. Next on the list is Ripple, also known as XRP. Now, Ripple might not be as famous as Bitcoin, but it has its own thing going on. One big plus for Ripple is that it's been confirmed as not a security. That's like a stamp of approval from the regulators, saying it's all good and legit. Here's the interesting part. There's talk about Ripple getting its own ETF. An ETF is like a special investment plan for a particular crypto, making it more accessible for people to invest in. The chief investment officer at Valkyrie, a company that knows its stuff, believes Ripple might even beat Ethereum to the ETF game. Now, you might have forgotten about Ripple, but it's quietly making moves. With its regulatory clarity and potential ETF, Ripple is something to keep an eye on in 2024. Number 1. Ethereum, ETH. First up on our list is Ethereum, often called ETH. Now, Ethereum might sound fancy, but it's basically a digital currency, just like Bitcoin. So, what makes Ethereum interesting for 2024? Well, they're getting ready for something called ETFs, which are like investment funds for Ethereum. These ETFs could be a big deal in the next 4 months. One cool thing about Ethereum is that it's been given the green light as not a security, which means it's all good with the rules. And guess what? Ethereum's ETFs are expected in May. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, already approved Ethereum futures, which is like a step in the right direction. This approval is a big deal because it's similar to what Bitcoin needed to get its own ETFs. But wait, there's more. Ethereum has a significant upgrade coming up, called EIP 4844. This upgrade is like a boost for Ethereum, making the fees lower and improving how it works. Plus, Ethereum is joining the Bitcoin party with something called halving, which could be a good thing for its value. So, why consider Ethereum? Well, it's not just a coin, it's making moves in the investing world, and that's why it's on our radar for 2024. Before we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. We're here to break down the crypto world in plain and simple terms, helping you stay in the loop with what's happening.